Special Automobile Company Limited, which is appointed by the Development and Reform Commission of China, is a professional manufacturer of special automobiles for landscaping, petrochemical, and environment cleanliness. Our labels are CLW and SNJ. Our company has independent export authority. Our leading products include 8 series and 100 types of trucks, such as water trucks, tank trucks, garbage trucks, fecal suction trucks, sewage suction trucks, dump trucks, van trucks, semi-trailers, wrecker trucks, trucks with cranes, high-altitude operation trucks, training trucks, bulk cement trucks, chemical liquid trucks, fire engines, truck fittings, cement mixers, and tractors. At the same time, we deal with wholesale chassis. Our company has solid technology, flawless inspection, advanced equipment, reliable quality, and flexible modes of operation. What's more, we have obtained ISO 9001 and China compulsory certification. Our company's series trucks have occupied the interior market for many years and have procured remarkable achievements. Our survival is based on the quality. Credit standing is the guarantee of our success. We will endeavor to treat customers honestly, managing flexibly, guaranteeing high quality but low price, and keeping high efficiency. We promise that all the products that are adapted and sold by us can get 1 year services and maintenance for the life. What's more, the service can be dealt. Our company